Hi guys, Sam here from New Hampshire Aviation. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Thomson Airways Airport Playset. Okay, so it is Christmas Day when I'm filming this, and I just opened this. I'm so excited to have this one. This one's pretty rare. I believe I got this one off of eBay, and yeah, it's super cool. So let's take a look at the box. So here for the box art, you have this really cool Thomson 767 all blue. Then you have a catering truck over here. Then you have some stairs. Then you have this bus, and then you have this little van here. And then these boxes are interesting. Unlike the normal boxes for the playsets where these big boxes, this one's pretty small. It's interesting. Okay, so let's open this up. So on it is a bunch of, let's see if I can just rip it off, a bunch of little plastic. I don't know, I kind of like the old boxes, or the main boxes, like the ones we have in the US, a little bit more than this, just because they're better for display. Okay, it is off. I'm so excited for this. I had to get this shipped from the UK. Okay, so first they come in these little packages. Here's some road signs. Here's the bus. Put that to the side. There is the plane. Then on top there is a little car, catering truck, and then a van. Okay, so let me just put this in the back for now. And I guess we'll start off small and get to the plane. So first off with these little signs, they're kind of the normal kind. There's a lot of plastic. So one is this airport sign, and then that's pretty cool. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 cones. That's also cool. And then this emergency sign, and 2 signs, one saying telephone, the other with a windsock. So let me put these back here, and I guess now we'll start on this little van. This van is really cool. It's all blue, just like the airplane. There it is. Wow, this is really cool. The inside's even detailed, although there is it's a little damaged. There's a crack on the front here, and some scratches on the top. That's a little disappointing because I bought this brand new. It's pretty expensive, which kind of stinks, but it's nothing. Okay, so now for the catering truck. It says tilt the camera. There it is, you know, classic catering truck. Looks pretty cool. It says Thomson Airways on it. Thomson Airways. Yeah, nothing special. Then for this bus, this is the typical bus they have for, I think, more European playsets. I don't know, it must be more common in Europe. Oh my. Okay, there is the bus. It's, you know, blue windows, nothing special also. It says Thomson Airways on it with the little smile and I think that's an eye, I don't know. And then on it says, there is a lot of detail on it. It says International Airport Services and please mind the door. So that's pretty cool. It's a pretty low bus. Okay, so now what everyone's been waiting for is the plane. This is awesome. Wow. Okay, there the plane is. This is a 767. This one is so nice. It's painted with blue and then red that says Thomson. The little smile in the background. It says Boeing 767 over there. This is really cool. There's a top view of the plane. And there's a nice side view. Wow, this is really nice. It's painted. The wings are white. And there's a look at the bottom. So, getting into a little more detail, there's an English flag over here. It says Boeing 767 over here. Then it says TUI over here. It's pretty small. I don't know if you can see that. On this side, it is exactly the same thing. Just red lettering. This is just such a nice plane. It's so good to have. I recommend, if you can find this, definitely get it. Okay, so that is the Thomson Airport playset. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.